the most important point, which is the of this chapter, what is that sociological aspect of physical education. In this, you will come to know the very important point in terms of board. What is that? The games and sports are as man's cultural heritage, right? So why it's said that games and sports are man's cultural heritage? Now it is said, if you see right from the beginning, I'm talking about right from the ape age, so whatever the activity they are seeing, whether you see the humans or whether the animals, in the beginning you will say they always play. It's in our blood. They also sharpen their skills with the help of play, right? And we also. And if you see in the current scenario also, whatever the things we are doing at that particular time, it's exactly the same thing we are doing now. See how? See, at that particular time, we used to run behind the animals, right? Just to hunt them. We used to swim, we used to climb, everything we used to do, right? And exactly that we used to use the bow and arrow and the javelin, so many things. Javelin means spear. At that particular time, it's known as the spear now. But if you see in Olympics, so everything is there. Everything is there. We used to run behind the animals, right? We used to run behind the animals. Still the marathon is there, 100 meters there, 200 meters there, 800 meters there, 1 kilometer is there, 5 kilometers is there, 50 kilometers is there, 100 kilometers is there. Nowadays you must be knowing that the marathon is very popular nowadays, right? We have different type of groups, right? Long races group, people are doing 100, 200, 500, right? One of the model is the Iron Man of the world. He got that the title Iron Man of the world. That means Milan Suman is the name of that. He used to run a lot, right? At the age of, I suppose, maybe the more than the 50 and all that, he's doing such a good things, right? How nicely he's completing. So whatever the things we are doing when we are age, when the evolution is changing at that particular time, right? Ape से वापस हम लोग humans की तरफ बढ़े, I mean to say, right? So all the development, all whatever the development we can see, right? And what are those things we are having at that particular time? Exactly everything we can see in Olympics. Basic things like running, right? I have given the climbing. We used to climb on the trees at that particular time. The apes used to climb on the tree. We are also having the rock climbing and this and that. There's so many different types of climbing is there just to make ourselves fit. So that's why it said it's a cultural heritage. But one shocking point I would like to tell you that this particular section is not in the book, which is very important. I don't know why it's not in the book. If you don't know this point, if you don't know this point, the half of the thing, I mean to say, that you are missing. You will never come to know the intensity of this particular subject, right? If you see the subject that the games and sports are men's cultural heritage, right from the ape age to whatever the, and if you see this thing in this manner, that whatever the development we are having nowadays in this current scenario, I mean to say 21st century, basically it's known as the jet age. So whatever the development we are having right now, it's only because of games and sports. I know that you people are not going to agree with this. How can you say this? But there is one single spark. There's one single spark which changes the everything, right? We from the apes which turn into this humans, right? Homo sapiens and humans, right? So from that particular, and what is that spark? What is that spark? Apes, they're slow. They're considered to be the very lethargic, although they are very strong, but they are not as fast as the other animals are there, especially that the herbivorous animals, right? Like just see the cheetah, right? Panther and lion, tiger. They're very fast as compared to apes, and they used to kill them. So what is that spark? Somehow they might have think, or maybe from where the spark comes, nobody knows. But this comes, right? How to save ourselves. And in that particular time also they used to live in the families. Though tigers, I mean to say that the lions also used to live in the family, right? They have a very big family, everything is there. They also used to live in the family, so they have to take care of that family. See, these things are present right from the beginning. That's why it's our cultural heritage, right? But this spark only changes the everything. Might be they are having one stick, and suppose anybody tries to attack on them, and he just do it like this. It might hurt that animal, and he step back. So all of a sudden they registered this in the brain. Everybody is having brain, whether it's humans or maybe the animals. Everyone is having, but the thing is, who's using that brain, right? So they have registered. Okay, if you do it like this, so all these dangerous animals, herbivore, I mean to say the carnivorous animals, they will step back. Means they also feel little bit danger for themselves also. So from that point only, they started inventing different type of things. What are those different type of things? That the weapons and all that, that they invented, that the spear, they invented bow and arrow, that boomerang, something like that, and they have that the stones they used to throw each and everything. But in that particular time, one has to sacrifice their life. But in current scenario, we are also doing the same thing, but we won't have to sacrifice their life, anyone's life. You just see the Olympics. They are running behind the animals. Why they are running behind the animals? They are running just to hunt them, right? Just because of that, and they need the flesh of that animal to give to their families for their survival, right? So one has to sacrifice their life. Here also they are running, but they are not running behind any of the animal. They are running behind the medals, championships, trophies, right? So this, and in the current scenario also, I don't want to take you in the deep, but I will just tell you. You take all the strongest nation, I mean to say the developed nation, all the rich nations, they are in today's life also they are spending maximum amount in the research work. And what kind of research work are they are doing? They are researching on their spending their maximum money on the warheads. They're developing different kind of bombs, and you must have seen that the planes and ship and submarines, and there are different type of things. Why they're making these things? We are humans. Why they are doing this? Why? Whatever the things are happening at that particular time, exactly the same things are happening in this current scenario also, in the 21st century also, right? At that time, we people used to, I mean to say, the apes used to live in the jungle, and today also we used to live in a concrete jungle, right? Though so many things, so nothing has changed, but you might get so many luxury, so many machines, right? And everything is there. But from where? From that one single spark. This give the boost, this spark, how to save ourselves. This spark give you the boost, and it start, your brain started working, and they started scheming the thing, they started doing the thing, they started reasoning the thing in this manner. I would like to tell you, in this manner, they are saying, we are doing. Okay, now, exactly the same thing happening in the current scenario also. You just see, you must be seeing in the news all the different. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hello, but I cannot see anyone. All of a sudden, everything is gone. Can you see me? Hello.
No,
You,
no, sir.
you cannot see me. I also cannot see anyone. I don't know what is happening here. Now, can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I was saying, yeah. So if in the current scenario also you will see this, whatever the things are happening at that particular time, exactly the same thing is happening now. Right? The you must be knowing the different type of planes and big things are. But why the reason behind this? Why we are educated? We are highly educated. We know etiquettes. We know how to live in the society, and everybody is a learned person. Then also, because people are coming very late, right? So why that reason? Just think on it. Just think on it. Only this one single spark have given everything. You are inventing something else, right? You are working how to save ourselves, and I mean to say, in the complimentary gift, you are getting all the luxuries and whatever the things, whatever the development you are having right now, you are getting it as a complimentary gift, right? You are inventing something else. You are working on that, how to save ourselves. You are putting all the resources, how to save ourselves. Inside, you are getting this also. एक research कर रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ और भी मिल जाता है. This is what a very simple thing, right? But the reason, and I'm shocked why such a important thing is missed. In history also, you must have learn about that the invention of wheel, fire, and the weapons and all that, right? Stone is there. So what they are making with the stone? So this invention and this only reasoning started changes, all the changes. If you so you can say, and you see the cubs, right? It's not easy for you to tame that tigers or maybe that leopards at home, but you can tame. I mean to say that the cats, right? The kittens are there, so you just watch their activities. They are very fast, swift, and their aim is to hunt. Their aim is to catch the rat, and all these activity they do in terms of play. They learn, they sharpen their skills. But when they are playing amongst each other, so they are not so dangerous. They know to whom they have to attack, their paws, their nails, and what is the use of, and when to use of, and how soft they are, how when they have to have the explosivity, when they have to have the speed. Everything is there in the blood. Exactly the same thing we also know. But now we are just moving ahead from this. In this also, you can say in this current scenario, you can see the boys and girls, they are not so they are not taking part in any of the sports activity. Why? Just because might be the I mean to say their pressure is there, or the education pressure is there, or might be their expectations regarding their percentages, something else. So there's so many things. But when you work, especially I would like to tell you, when you run, I mean to say that run, when you jog, so your whole body, I mean to say, started working. So in this manner, you have the total control over your body. If you are sitting idly, all of a sudden you have been said, okay, you stand and do something, so you will take time to react. Your brain will also become slow, right? I can give you hundreds and hundreds of examples. Right now, I was having the live class, that's why I'm sharing. Otherwise, I won't have tell you this. I can show you the example. I normally used to say, okay, stand up. Everybody's, I think sir is saying to me or that and this, to whom he's saying. I'm not pointing anyone, so okay, stand up. So everybody will have to stand, right? You won't have to think. So this smartness is missing somewhere. It's lacking, right? And when you are doing into the habit of regular practice, means you all your muscles are toned, your brain, and likewise the neuromuscular coordination in 11th, I have already explained this. Now just try to connect the neuromuscular, the brain and the muscle, the connectivity between them is so prompt immediately. Now, if you are into the habit of doing games and sports, so I won't, as I start immediately, the rest of the thing automatically you will understand and you started reacting. This is what the smartness. right? This is what the smartness will come with when you are doing regular practice. And mind you, I'm not saying that the regular practice doesn't mean here that 2 hour practice or 3 hour practice or 4 hour practice. It's just increase your body temperature, right? Give a warming up and little bit of anything, whatever you want to play badminton only, just for a 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes. You cannot complete a 30-minute non-stop badminton. That you started missing your breath, right? Why? Because the stamina is not there. What is stamina in layman language? If anybody asks you what is stamina, it's a coordination between your breath and your steps. When they are matching, you are having the stamina. Means your lungs are also working when they have to absorb, and up to what liters they have to absorb, right? This mismatch only tells that you are not having the stamina, and if the same thing is matching, that means you are having stamina. Nothing is going to change. कोई आप में दूसरा चेंज नहीं आता है, बस जब आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो कोई चेंज नहीं आता, सिर्फ ये स्मार्टनेस आ जाता है. When you have to inhale, and this has to, the gases has to be absorbed by the lungs, and that oxidation process. So this process, so very simple thing I'm telling you. So that's why it's said it's a cultural heritage. And what is given in your book, whatever the contribution made by different countries in the field of games and sport, that is what the cultural heritage. We can take it. This also, in this manner also, we can take it. But if you give me this in the answers, because I have to tell you each and everything right from the A page. And if you miss this part, so certainly I'm going to deduct mark. Certainly, because I have proven this, right? And you can search. Today only the Russia is spending maximum amount on the research work, the technology. So from where they're getting the technology? First, they used to think. They used to counter what they are thinking exactly in the same manner. Their opponents are also thinking. So they have to counter. When they have to counter, then they will have to think on the counters of counter. एक चीज एक आदमी ने सोची कि मैं मारूंगा, आपने सोचा मैं कैसे बचूंगा, फिर कैसे मारूंगा, और ऐसे मारूंगा कि that nobody can say me anything. So this is known as the counter of counter. Means you are saving yourself, and while saving yourself, you are ready with the attack also. Attack, save, and attack. So this is known as a counter of counter. But nowadays, counter of counter of counter. So this is very simple thing. So in this manner, they are thinking. Got it? I can give you the so many names that we don't have the counter of that particular thing, like S-400 and all that, or maybe the Sukhoi is there, or F-22 and 35 is there. There's so many things. They have invented that technology also. What do you call that? I've forgotten, not the forgotten, it's here, right? The stealth technology. From where they are getting stealth technology? It's not written in any of the tree. What is that stealth technology? The plane is moving, but it will not come in this. I mean to say that in the radar. So they are thinking. When they are thinking, so they are reasoning. What kind of thing? What type of coding should be there? Right? It used to absorb all the races. So that's why I'm saying and whatever the things are happening at that particular time, they are thinking how to save themselves with the help of sticks, or maybe any kind of rod, or any kind of stone, something like this, right? But nowadays, though we have invented so many things, the science is there. When nothing was there at that particular time, I was talking, even when the apes are not able to communicate, when the language is not there, at that particular time, they have registered this particular thing. At that particular time, I'm talking about. And I don't know why your book is not covering this. And this is such an important, very, very important point which is missing from the book. And if you can justify your answer, I think I have given the justification from that particular time and to this age also. And whatever the activities we are doing at that particular time, now we are doing exactly the same activities. At that particular time, we used to swim also, we used to use the bow and arrow also, we used to how to tame the wild animals also, the chariot racing also, and you must have seen that the chess is there. So how to work on the brain, and if anybody is there in that in my class who used to play the chess, they used to think 2, 3, 4 steps ahead. So this is what the counter and counter of counter, right? This is what the counter of counter with one single move you can make it out very easily that what is your capabilities in this particular game, right? Though I don't know how to play chess, right? But you can see that there are so many. Even one of our Indian chess master, Vishwanathan Anand, if I'm not mistaken, he has beaten the world. He used to play that on the computer. Just see, the whole world is playing and his single, and he's beating. So see the power of brain. Nobody can, I mean to say, match. But from where this power is coming? From games and sports. And let me tell you, this chess has also come under the category of games. If you want to become a policy maker in your life, so you have to know this. It's very integral. If somebody will say that which is the most important, so I would make it mandatory that everybody should play chess. At least they know up to a certain level, right? And you must have seen that so many good players, they are coming from the Russia, right? So many players are coming from the Russia. They're very good in chess, very good in chess, right? Now, are you getting what I'm saying, beta? Are you getting? हेलो, मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? बाउंसर तो नहीं जा रहा है? Are you able to understand or not, beta? Now, so this is what I want to tell you. This is what I want to tell you, beta. So that's why I'm saying it's very important, and your book is not having, sorry to say this whole section is missing from the book. This whole section, won't you think that it's very important? You should know. And there's one animal, I have forgotten the name of that animal, when they used to live on the ground, on the surface. But now they're living in water. That is what the whale. If you see the history of whale, so it's also changes the limbs, right? उसके जो हाथ पैर थे वो फिन्स में चेंज हो गए. तो आई हैव रेड इट समवेयर. तो पहले वो जमीन पे रहते थे, बट उनको भी कुछ डर वर था, किसी से भी था, जो भी था, व्हाटएवर इट इज, राइट? नाउ दे बिकम्स द aquatic animal. तो चेंजेस आएगा. जो भी ब्रेन को यूज करेगा, ब्रेन उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपकी बॉडी को बना देगा. नाउ द अनदर एग्जांपल आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. यू जस्ट सी, आपका जैसा आपने एक कहावत जरूर सुनी होगी, आप जैसा काम करते हो, जैसा सोचते हो, वैसे ही बन जाते हो. यस और नो? आपने ये तो सुना है, जैसा सोच रहे हो वैसे ही आप बन जाते हो. तो आपका ब्रेन एग्जैक्टली उसी के अकॉर्डिंगली काम करने लगता है. सी, आप जिम जाते हो कि तुम मेरे को खूब बिल्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, आप एक्सरसाइज करने लगते हो, ब्रेन में वो चीज़ आने लगती है, और क्या आपका मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग होने लगता है, राइट? आपका मसल डेवलप होने लगता है, आपका फिजिक ग्रो करने लगता है. तो आप सोच रहे ना, जिम जाओगे तो एकदम पतले थोड़ी ना हो जाओगे, बहुत मोटे हो आप. देखो, एक ही चीज़ है, वही एक्सरसाइज, सब कुछ सेम है, बट सिर्फ ओनली हियर you are thinking you have to gain, you have started gaining. You are thinking you have to reduce, so you have started reducing. Yes, the diet is there, right? If you want to gain, तो आपके प्रोटीन्स कार्ब्स ये थोड़े से बढ़ा दिए जाएंगे. इफ यू वांट टू रिड्यूस, तो फैट्स, प्रोटीन्स, कार्ब्स, यही चीज़ आपके घटा दिए जाएंगे, राइट? तो अगर आप सोचते ही नहीं, तो ये होता ही नहीं. आप बैठे रहते हो, आप सिर्फ गेन करते चले जाते हो, लेथार्जिक होते चले जाते हो. तो एक तो चीज प्रूव हो जाती है कि दिस इज अ ह्यूमन बॉडी, एंड यू वोंट हैव टू पुट दिस ह्यूमन बॉडी इन अ रेस्टिंग मोड. दैट दिस बॉडी इज नॉट मेंट टू बी kept in a resting mode. If you put this body in a resting mode, so it will start giving you the negative signs. And what is that negative sign? That when you're eating, your body is producing energy, I mean to say calories, right? after the digestion of that, the calories, and the excess calories are there, and that calorie is not burned, तो it will changes into adipose tissues and you are gaining weight. और आप कितने लेथार्जिक होते चले जाते हो कि वो everybody knows कि how dull, lethargic, और एक टाइम आता है कि that दुनिया भर के diseases भी होने लगते हैं. So many things are there. So this is what I want to tell you. It's why it's said that's a cultural heritage, only because of this. And I have justified this also right from the beginning. Right from the beginning, ape age, whatever the things we are doing right now in this ultra modern age also, we are doing exactly the same thing. वहाँ पे भी running होता था, swimming होता था, climbing होता था, bow and arrow throwing होता था, right? Exactly the same thing is happening in and the Olympics also. आप देखते हो ना, hammer throw होता है, discus throw होता है, और क्या shot put होता है, and javelin throw होता है, और long jump, high jump. We used to jumps also. We used to swim also. तो swimming के different variations आ गए, different strokes आ गए, jumps के साथ आ गए, synchronization के साथ आ गए. Now just try to understand this. We don't command our brain. We automatically, there's a word, body language. So have you ever seen the synchronization swimming? So especially in China, you will see, and the Japanese, they are very good at this. The two will jump, and the timing and the accuracy and the everything is same, right? They used to work, they used to control everything. So this what you are doing, automatically the other is going to understand, right? What the other is going to do, automatically you will come to know whether we are having any words or not, whether the things are clear or not. Suppose none of the bowler is going to tell you that he is going to bowl a bouncer ball or maybe the Yorker ball, but being a batsman, the way he's doing, the way he's holding, where he's pitching the ball, automatically it come to you that the next step is this. You are going to have a two counters. अब उसको रोकना है या उसको खेलना है, मारना है, अटैकिंग में जाना है या क्या करना है, you know it very well, right? So this is I would like to tell. So that's why it's known as the cultural heritage. So this is clear. Now come what is given in the book. So whatever the contribution made by the different countries in the field of games and sport, that is where the Rome is there, right? So you can just write it down. Whatever Romans were the first people. Greek peoples were the first one who acknowledged the importance of physical education, the games and sports. So they used to host a lot of different type of competition. They are the only one who starts the Olympics, right? सबसे पहले उन्होंने start किया था, and still whenever and whichever the country is going to host the Olympic, so you will see that the torch, right? Whichever the country is hosting the Olympic, the torch will light from there only, right? From there only, and it will come to that hosting nation, and after that, before the declaration of the days open, right? We used to take the oath, and after that maybe the chairman or the army general or president, they used to administer the oath, right, in Olympics, right? Whosoever is the greatest at that particular time, who is going to administer the oath, right? And first they will light the torch from where they have light that the replica of that the Olympics from the Athens, right? Now they are bringing to that hosting nation, and they light that torch also, the main torch of that nation, and after that the declaration of oath is there. So see the importance. वो कब हुआ था, but start आज भी exactly वैसे ही होता है, right? And mind you, this torch will have to go in each, and it has to be traveled in each and every country. All the Olympic nation वो 2-2.5 महीने पहले से started traveling, right? अंडर वाटर जाती है, थ्रू एयर आती है, एंड लोग लेके दौड़ते हैं, राइट? दे यूज्ड टू टेक द टॉर्च, और इसके लिए भीड़ लगी रहती है, हर किसी को चांस नहीं मिलता है ये टॉर्च को हाथ में पकड़ने का. तो दिस सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो फर्स्ट थिंग, देवर Romans are there, then you can see that the Americans were also there, एथलेटिक्स में देखो तो अमेरिकन का बहुत ज़बरदस्त कंट्रीब्यूशन है एथलेटिक्स में, दे आर द बेस्ट, राइट। और स्पेशली बास्केटबॉल में आ जाओ, और क्योंकि एथलेटिक्स में क्यों आई एम सेइंग दैट वो जमाइका एंड ऑल दैट वहाँ के लोग आके फ्रॉम अमेरिका खेलते हैं वो, तो दैट्स वाई उनके पास अब आप देख लो हुसैन बोल्ट एंड ऑल दैट, तो वो सब बहुत फास्ट हो गए, कितने फास्ट प्लेयर हैं, राइट। तो अमेरिका हैव द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ होस्टिंग द मैक्सिमम ओलंपिक्स, राइट। उसके बाद इंडिया को ले लो, इंडिया ने कोई ओलंपिक नहीं बनाया, बट क्या दिया है इन द योगा, पूरी दुनिया में आज वेरी पॉपुलर योगा, राइट। तो बेसिकली लेट मी टेल यू, योगा इज नॉट एनी टर्म, इट्स योग मीन्स एडिसन, ऐड करते ना आप, तो योग इज जस्ट एडिंग, सोल एंड ब्रेन को ऐड कर रहे होते हैं आप, राइट। और एक एंड डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्राणायाम, एंड इफ यू सी द योगा एक्सरसाइजेस दे आर ओनली द स्ट्रेचेस, right? Then come to China, different type of India, the chariot, gambling, whatever the dance form you are having, thousands of dance form you are having, but the dance is invented in India only. It's given in the book, right? अगर आप थोड़ा सा हायर स्टडीज़ में जाएंगे, माइट भी आपकी बुक में ना दिया हो, बिकॉज मैं बहुत जल्दी ये जो बुक है उसको कंसल्ट नहीं करता, राइट। जितने भी डांस फॉर्म हैं उनका ओरिजिन इंडिया से ही होता है। अब ये नहीं कि कोई क्या बोलते हैं लॉकिंग क्रॉपिंग, ये सब मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, बट एक आइडिया जो आया था दैट इज़ फ्रॉम इंडिया ओनली। एंड जितना भी मार्शल आर्ट का था, तो एक साउथ में है, आई हैव प्रॉब्लम इन प्रोनाउंसिंग दैट नेम, राइट, वो कुछ मेरे से निकलता नहीं, आप लोग जानते हैं ना, वो है कुछ है, वो आर्ट फॉर्म है मार्शल आर्ट का, यस यस यस, यू आर राइट, राइट, बट वो मेरे से बोला ही नहीं जाता, प्रोनाउंस नहीं होता मेरे से वो, राइट। तो दैट फॉर्म, देन चैरियट रेसिंग, राइट। तो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच इज गिवन बाय द एंड स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग, राइट। अब आ जाते हैं जापान में, जापान सुमो रेसलिंग इज देयर, कम टू द चाइना दैट जूडो इज देयर, and wushu is there. There's so many things. So this is in just because of this, it is said to be the cultural heritage. It's in our blood. Cultural heritage मतलब सांस्कृतिक धरोहर है ना। And Rome में still you will find the Colosseum, the first stadium and the biggest stadium of, अब तो remains of Colosseum is there, but वो आज भी है, people used to go and see that stadium, right? तो अब तो that's why it said, और ये बहुत important point है in terms of gods. Okay बेटा, I hope the things are clear now.